Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a fillable text box required or active required option. Open your fillable PDF form. Now click on this form option, this menu bar. Now click on the select field and drag your mouse cursor. You can select multiple one or you can select a specific one. Now select this, all of this. Now click right button and select properties option. Properties dialog box, go general option, and here you will find this required option. Now select close and click hand option, and all of these text boxes now make required, and you have to fill it. And finally select this file option, save or save as, save, and again go select and select one of this and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.